Welcome, in front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. Now to get started, you will need to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then on the left side you'll find a bunch of toggles. Now obviously we're looking for the screen recording one, so let's swipe to the left and this will show us a second page where the toggle is located. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window right here, allowing you to customize it just a little bit, letting you choose what audio will be recorded. By default it's turned off, so if you want to record any audio, just make sure you tap on this right here. And then on the drop down you have option to record either the device audio, microphone, or both. And then below that we have show touches on screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. So I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that actually looks like on the recording. And from there, all we need to do is select start. Begins a countdown. And then with a loud obnoxious noise, it lets you know that it's now recording. So whatever you'll do right now, obviously, will be recorded. Now there is a little bit of a limitation to it, so if you encounter ever that you record a black screen, just know that this is the fault of the application. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can select right here, stop, and this will automatically save it. Now going back to what I was saying with the recording and black screen, there are certain applications that can not really disable, but limit the screen recorder. So they will know that you're trying to record, and what you will end up having is just a fully black screen. While it's still recording, it's just not going to show any content that is visible to you on your screen that would technically should be recorded. And one of those applications is Netflix. Though it's not installed on here, so I couldn't really show it. But it's not the only application that is limited like this. There are other ones, for instance, for more security purpose reasons, like bank applications. But Netflix is just one that is a little bit more egregious because it's not done for your security, let's be honest. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can find the actual recording in your Photos application. So there we go, found it. And it will be visible right under Photos as Movies. So you can see that it's labeled as Movies. And if you have later on albums visible somewhere on the side, you can navigate to the album called Movies, and here you'll find all the screen recordings that I have captured over the time. For me, there is just one. And you can see it playing back right now. In addition, you can also see this dot right here. That is obviously where my finger was pressing the display. If you're planning to record some kind of gameplays, it might be a little bit distracting because as you can see, wherever your finger is pressing, it will be shown on the recording. So it might be distracting. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.